Can we win this game? Can Chelsea beat West Ham? Well, these are the only ways Chelsea we can beat West Ham. They are coming to defend. They are not coming to do anything, but rather to defend. They will be compact. They will close all the spaces. They will cut all the passing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea's second game to the new season. Can Chelsea win? Can we get our first win in this season, 2025 to 2026 season? So that is why we are here to do the analysis. So this is my preview. I'm going to give my opinion on this game. Yes, my analysis on this game. So please, let's do it together, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my score prediction and my starting 11 for this game, and some team news from Enzo Maresca camp about players who are available for this game and players who are not available. Yes, and I said it one of my video that, guys, leave your score prediction, yes, about this game, West Ham and Chelsea. After the game, my review, I will come here and mention your name and mention your score prediction. So let me hear from you under the comment section your score prediction for this game. And let's come to the team news from Enzo Maresca that Wesley Fofana is available. The last game he was there, but he didn't play. And Tosin Adarabioyo is back. Tosin is back. The only players who are out are Badiashile and Romeo Lavia from Enzo Maresca. The two players are out, but for Tosin, he is back. And in fact, Tosin coming back is a good news, to be honest, because the last game, Achampong and Chalobah played. Achampong didn't play bad. He was good. I think he even won Chelsea man of the match in that game. They voted him. He did well. But there is some tactical aspect of Enzo Maresca football. When we come to building from the back, we didn't see that much from Achampong. But when we look at Tosin, Tosin is that defender who understood Enzo Maresca tactics. That building from the back, that giving that penetrative passes through the midfield to Enzo Fernandez. Then Enzo Fernandez will connect it to Palmer. Then Palmer will connect it to our attackers, be it Ja Pedro or the wings, yes, or Pedro Neto or any of our wingers. So Tosin coming back this game, Tosin and Chalobah, they are going to help us contribute for us to win this game, for us to get our first win for this new season. So that is why I said it's a good news. I'm not saying that Achampong was bad, but when we come to the offensive part, yes, we didn't see much from Achampong. So guys, Tosin Adarabioyo is back, and Chelsea launched our third kick, yes, for this season, our third kick, and information said that it is a honor for designed to honor our 04 and 05 season when we were crowned Premier League champion for the very first time. That is good. That is good. So that is the third kick you are watching on the screen. Yes, Chelsea is going to wear this season. And is it beautiful? Is it befitting? Will you buy it? Will you use your money and buy it? Guys, and from 1 to 10, your rating for this kit. How much rating are you giving this kit? Yes, I like the crease in the front, CFC, the old badge, and the Club World Cup badge will be the other side of the neck. Yes, you see where there is space. So the Club World Cup, the best club in the world badge will be there. Yes, the only team to win this trophy, Chelsea. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Chelsea launch our new kick. Do you like it? Will you buy it? And there is a link, Chelsea official Megastore link, under the description of this video. You can follow it, go to the Chelsea official Megastore and buy all your Chelsea jerseys, yes, be it this season or the previous season. So there is a link under Chelsea official Megastore. Links are under the description of this video. Yes, follow it and go and purchase your own. Yes, the best club in the world. It is there already. When you go and purchase it, it will be there for you. Yes, they already cramp it as I'm wearing now. Yes. So guys, let's come to this game. Chelsea West Ham or West Ham Chelsea. Can we win this game? Can Chelsea beat West Ham? Well, these are the only ways Chelsea we can beat West Ham. First, see, we are the best club in the world, the world champions. So this season, every team will come and respect Chelsea. This season, every team will make it difficult against Chelsea. Now they trust us. Now they saw what we did to PSG. So we have the respect. Yes, unlike last season when they were adopting us, they even said last season we are not going to make top 10. At the end, we made top 4 and won 2 trophies. So this time around, they will give us the respect. So West Ham will come into this game defending very well. They are coming to defend. They are not coming to do anything, but rather to defend. They will be compact. They will close all the spaces. They will cut all the passing lanes. So it is on to we, the Chelsea, the players to break them. So I'm expecting this game for the guys, our players, to move the ball quick and faster, because this kind of teams who normally sit deep, they cover all the spaces. So if you don't do the passing quick, you can't break them, you can't score, you can't penetrate the passes. Unlike the last game against Crystal Palace, we were so tactical. Yes, we were slow on the ball. So this game we must improve when we come to our passing ability, I'm telling you, and also their compactability. We must break them. And our midfield, you see this, our midfield, the last game it was off. This game it cannot be off. No. This game we must see Enzo. We must see our Enzo Fernandez giving us that performance. If we can win this game, or if we are going to win this game, our midfield must work. I'm telling you, our midfield must work. See, you see our midfield, they always give that penetrative passes to Cole Palmer. Then Cole Palmer will release it to our attackers. That is why the last game we didn't see enough from Cole Palmer. Yes, we didn't see good performance from Cole Palmer because the midfield was off. The midfield that will give the connectivity to him, then he release it or even try to shoot and score, or release it to our strikers. So this game, whether Caicedo is going to start plus Santos or Caicedo plus Enzo, we can't have an off day in the midfield. The midfield must perform. And our defense, I will not say a lot because West Ham, they are going to defend. Yes, they will not open up. Yes, especially they are home. They will make it compact. So the defense, they just have to be careful when it comes to counter attacks, because they will come with counter attacks. Pam. So the defense, they have to make sure that anytime that they are coming, yes, they stop their counter attacks. Yes, and our goalkeeper also, I think now he improved, Sanchez. Yes, now Sanchez's sister is now doing the things very well for Enzo Maresca. So Sanchez has improved. So this season, I'm not expecting any error from Robert Sanchez. Please, Sanchez, disgrace Chelsea fans, because we want Chelsea to sign a new goalkeeper. So disgrace us. Perform very well. If you perform well, we are not bringing in any goalkeeper apart from you. Then you will be the first goalkeeper. So guys, these are my analysis for this game. How I see Chelsea can win this game. How I see Chelsea should approach this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, and this is my starting 11 as you are watching on the screen as usual. Sanchez on goal, being our goalkeeper, and the two center backs, Chalobah and Tosin Adarabioyo. Yes, and the left back or the left wing back, Cucurella, defender at the same time, a midfielder at the same time, a striker. Cucurella, he never had a bad game. And Reece James, and maybe this game Enzo Maresca may decide to start Gusto. Yes, and if he start Gusto, not bad, because now Gusto also improved. And the midfield, as I said, the midfield that cannot be off in this game, Caicedo and Enzo. I want to see more performance from Enzo in this game. And I remove Gittins this time around and put Estival there. The pressure Estival, we all saw the pressure he brought on. Yes. So I want to see at least a goal, his first Premier League goal. Yes, Estival. And Cole Palmer, please, Cole Palmer, come back to form. See guys, if we can win this season Premier League, you see Cole Palmer, he must be active for the whole season, like his first season, 22-goal season. He must be active. You see Cole Palmer, you see Caicedo, you see Cucurella, and you see our two strikers, João Pedro and Liam Delap. If we are going to win this season Premier League, they are going to win the Premier League for us. And the first game, we didn't see the best of Cole Palmer. This game, we must see something from Cole Palmer. At least Cole Palmer must score or give an assist. And the left wing position, I put Estival there, as I said. The right wing position, I put Neto there. And the last game, Neto was also off. This game, we want to see the best from Neto. And the striking position, I put João Pedro, the scorer. This game, we want to field our striker, Chelsea fans. We want to see João Pedro in this game, at least scoring or making it difficult against West Ham defenders. We saw João Pedro, how he started. Yes, he doesn't need so many chances before he scored. The Club World Cup and the preseason, he was scoring goals here and there. This is even the right time we need João Pedro in the Premier League. Yes, our journey to win this season Premier League started. So this game, I want to see at least a goal. Not even two goals. A goal from João Pedro is okay. And my score prediction, I will say Chelsea 2 or West Ham 0, Chelsea 2. That is my score prediction. West Ham 0, Chelsea 2. I think this season we improve a lot, and we have a striker like João Pedro and Liam Delap, and our defense not bad, so we can have a clean sheet in this game. So guys, that is my score prediction for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And as I said, after the game, during the review, I will come here, mention your name and mention your score prediction. So please leave a comment, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. After the game, my review will come. Take care, peace.